What's going on, everyone? Coach DJ back once again to give you guys another little quick stretch video. Today, what we are going to focus on, we are going to focus on utilizing a foam roller. So I know that some of us may have a foam roller, but some of us may not know how to properly use the foam roller. So I'm just going to take you through a little quick tidbit, a couple of movements that you can do. Nothing too crazy, nothing too serious. So you can follow along with me, or if you just kind of want to watch the video, just kind of get a little feel for it and do it on your own, that is completely fine. But I'm going to take you guys through a couple of little movements real quick. So like I said, follow along and stay tuned. Let's have some fun. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to work on our quads. So with the quads, what we want to do, we want to make sure that you can either start them down here, start them at the top. But what you want to do is, one, create those points of contact. So for right now, the points of contact are my forearms and my toes. So the only thing I want to do is rock back and forth on those quads and just kind of take my time. You never want to, kind of rush through it, especially when it comes to this. Just take your time. And one thing I like to focus on anytime we're doing anything like this, stretching, mobility, flexibility, focus on that breathing. It's supposed to be a peaceful time where we're supposed to be in recovery mode. So, one thing that I like to do, make sure that those glutes still have tension in them, so they're not just relaxed. Make sure you show a little bit of tension, and then also that core. Also, if you want a little bit, lift those toes up off the ground. Like anytime you are foam rolling, it's supposed to be helping that tension. So minimizing that soreness, relieving joint pain and tension, reducing inflammation, and improving that range of motion. So if you find that spot that got tension, I want you to focus on that spot. I just want you to focus on that one spot and stick there. All right. So, that was a little good one right there, just to kind of start off. But now, what we're going to focus on, the outer parts of our glutes. So, what you're going to do, you're going to sit down on top of the foam roller. It's all right. It's not going to break. Sit down on top of it. And then what you're going to do is kind of lean to one side. And then just kind of focus there on that side. There we go. And the only thing you're doing, like I said, points of contact, my hand and my foot for right now. But once you get used to it, I want you to lift that foot up. Now my points of contact, my outer foot and my hand. There we go. And like I said, if you have that tension, I just want you to focus on that spot that you're working on. And just kind of work out that tension there. Now, if you want a little bit more from this movement, what you can do, same thing, except, I don't even know if I can do it my own self. Just have that foot over that leg and just kind of work it out. Oh yeah, that's good. That is good. Like I said, still focusing on one glute. But like I said, you got multiple things you can do from this movement. All right, and then we're just going to switch it over. So it'll be the same thing, other side. Sit on the foam roller. Kind of lean over to one side. Ooh, hope you guys didn't hear that knee pop. But yeah, just kind of focus on that one side. Focusing on the tension. Lift that leg up, or if you need to, just kind of let it drag on the floor. If you have like a towel or bath cloth, or a shirt, you can kind of just slide that foot. But raising that foot kind of helps activate it a little bit. And same thing. If you want to have that leg over, and the same thing applies. There we go. Ooh, yeah, this right here is good, real good. You'll definitely feel it. Ooh. Ah, man. There we go. All right. Up next, we're going to work on shoulder and back. So, shoulder and back. Ooh. You don't want to start it too low. Kind of like to have it right in the middle of your back. Ooh. And what you're going to do, you can activate those glutes. Have your forearms together. Hug yourself. Have your hands up over your head. The only thing you're doing is just rolling. Like so. Like I said, you don't want to go too low. You don't want to go too high. But just kind of roll. And like I said, you have different options on what you want to do. Hug yourself. Forearms together. Hands over your head. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Like I said, you kind of just want to raise those hips just a little bit. You don't got to raise it too high. This is good. This is really good. Like I said, foam rolling is definitely a good way to kind of release that tension, especially after a good workout. So, like I said, grab your foam roller. You ain't got to grab the most expensive one. Just kind of grab one that kind of fits you. Like I said, this one is pretty standard. Like I said, it has no lumps, has no ridges in it. Nothing to kind of trigger those pressure points. So this one's a good starting point. There we go. Ooh. Ah, there we go. And let's come back up. All right. So, up next, let's get those calves real quick. So, calves, you already know. Have one leg up there. The only thing you're going to do, raise yourself up, points of contact, hands, feet. And just bounce back and forth. Oh boy, I felt that one. Yeah. And just kind of rock yourself back and forth. And if you want, you can cross that other leg over. Yeah, you can do that. I'm not, for the sake of this video. If I want to make it through comfortably, I'm just going to relax. There we go. All right, and then let's switch it. Points of contact, remember? That feels good. Like I said, focus on your breathing, everyone. Deep breath in. Nice exhale out. Put on some good music. Some relaxing. I like lo-fi. I like jazz. And just kind of relaxing. There we go. All right. And relax. All right. So next up, we're going to focus on IT band. So, IT band, I'm going to flip over this side. So this one, you want to kind of lay on your side. Have it kind of, you don't want it directly on your hip, kind of right below that hip. On your side. That leg that we're not working, have it over. And from here, working. Points of contact. Forearm, hand, foot. There we go. Good. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. There we go. And of course, if you want something a little bit more, both feet up. Ooh. Both feet up, yes. Just kind of relaxing, well, trying to relax. But yeah, you can do whatever is comfortable for you. Do whatever works for you. Switch it to the other side. So same thing. Right below that hip. Cross that leg over. And then just kind of roll it out. There we go. Good. Like I said, if you want that extra, I don't even know if I want to do it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Like I said, for the sake of this video, I think I'm gonna relax. Alright, yeah. There we go. Alright. And up next, of course, we cannot forget the inner parts of the thigh. So, 2 things that you can do for your inner thigh. We have side bend, and then we have side rollout. So, side bend, well, I'm gonna show you side rollouts first. So, side rollouts, you wanna make sure whatever leg you're working on, you can either start it in, or you can start it out. But the only thing you're doing is just rolling. So as you can see, these will be the rollouts. So the rollouts, as you can see, we're rolling. And then the side bends, they're more so, the foam isn't rolling, you're just kind of moving. There we go. So you got 2 options. Like I said, you have the side roll, which is a full roll, or you have the side bend. Let me just focus on the other one. Other leg out straight. Bend that other leg. There we go. That's good. And then, of course, side bend. There we go. There we go. Whew. And there we go. All right. So, like I said, that was a whole little process I wanted to show you guys, just to kind of help out. Just in case you're looking for something new when it comes to exercising, or add something new to your routine when you want to kind of relax and, just kind of want to recover, but stretching ain't kind of doing it for you anymore. So, like I said, you have a foam roller in your home or wherever gym you go to, which should be the Well Zone, shameless plug, but wherever gym you're going to, or even in the comfort of your own home, and you have one of these, you want to make sure that you are using it to its full potential. So, like I said, hope this video found you guys well. If you have any questions, just reach out to the Live Life Well team, and they will direct you to one of us, and we'll be able to help out with any fitness related questions you got, and hopefully put you on the right path. But like I said, it's good seeing you guys again. My name is Coach DJ, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So